Boost sales and delight customers with How Much POS. Ditch manual discounts and spreadsheets. Promotions are here. Your intuitive dashboard appears immediately after login. It offers a real-time snapshot of your business, enabling quick, informed decisions. Effortlessly manage multiple locations by simply selecting your desired store from the drop-down. This feature ensures you can centralize control and maintain seamless operations across all your branches. Initiate new orders with ease and add products to the list in just a few clicks. This streamlined process dramatically speeds up checkout times. Your customers will appreciate the quick, efficient service. Enhance customer value by accessing available promotions directly from the order screen. This allows you to apply discounts and boost sales effortlessly. Effortlessly browse through a comprehensive list of promotions to find the perfect discount. Applying the right promotion enhances customer satisfaction and boosts their loyalty. With a single click, apply your chosen promotion and watch the order total update in real time. This ensures transparency and accuracy for every transaction. Your customers will always see their instant savings. The system confidently manages discounts and finalizes transactions, providing a smooth experience. Utilize promotions to maximize your sales and offer exceptional value to your customers.